Hi doctors, this is Medicotapas. This session is about MCQs mainly related to puerperium. We have already discussed about some of the MCQs in previous videos, MCQs related to gynecology part 1 and 2. I am just giving this link below in description. Now, let's get going. And the first question is, most common site of puerperal sepsis. Most common site of puerperal sepsis options are cervical laceration, placental site, episiotomy site and vaginal tear. Here the answer is placental site. Next, most common mode of spread of puerperal sepsis. Most common mode. Options are direct spread, hematogenous, lymphatic spread and none. Here the answer is direct spread. So most common mode of spread of puerperal sepsis is direct spread. Next question. Most common causative agent for puerperal sepsis. Options are Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Pneumococcus and Mycoplasma. Answer is Streptococcus. So most common causative agent is Streptococcus. Now, uterus becomes pelvic organ after delivery. When uterus will become pelvic organ after delivery? Options are 10 to 12 days, 12 to 14 days, 14 to 16 days and 16 to 18 days. And the answer is 10 to 12 days. So after delivery, within 10 to 12 days, uterus will become a pelvic organ. Now, what can be the weight of uterus immediately after delivery? 1000 gram, 800 gram, 60 gram and 500 gram. Answer is 1000 gram. So, weight of uterus immediately after delivery 1000 gram. Now, lochia lasts for how many weeks? 1 week, 5 weeks, 4 weeks and 3 weeks. Answer is 3 weeks. So, lochia lasts for 3 weeks. Ovulation returning in non-lactating puerperal female. When ovulation will return in non-lactating puerperal female? Options are 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 9 weeks and 10 weeks. Answer is 4 weeks. So ovulation returning in non-lactating puerperal female 4 weeks. Uterus becomes a pelvic organ after delivery, that is 10 to 12 days, and lochia lasts for 3 weeks. Milk ejection reflex. Milk ejection reflex is caused by, options are LH, FSH, oxytocin and growth hormone. Answer is oxytocin. Milk ejection reflex is due to oxytocin. And the strongest stimuli for milk ejection is, or strongest stimuli of lactation is suckling reflex by the baby. So, milk ejection reflex is caused by oxytocin and the strongest stimulus for lactation is suckling reflex by baby. What is puerperal period? Puerperal period is lasts for how many weeks after delivery? Options are 3 weeks, 6 weeks following delivery, 2 weeks following delivery and 12 weeks after delivery. And the answer is 6 weeks following delivery is known as puerperal period. Which is the causative agent which causes acute mastitis? Options are Streptococcus, Staphylococcus aureus, Pneumococcus and Chlamydia. Answer is Staphylococcus aureus. So causative agent of acute mastitis is Staphylococcus aureus. And the most common causative agent for puerperal sepsis is Streptococcus. Next question. What is the temperature in case of puerperal pyrexia? So temperature for puerperal pyrexia 37 degrees Celsius, 36.4 degrees Celsius, 40.4 degrees Celsius or 38.4 degrees Celsius. Answer is 38.4 degrees Celsius. If we are talking about Fahrenheit, we have to go for 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. So puerperal pyrexia is defined as a rise in temperature of 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or 38.4 degree Celsius, mainly after or within 24 hours after delivery. And sometimes it may extend up to 10 days. So 24 hours to 10 days of delivery. So that's all today. Thank you.